we have officially gotten some of the best news for the sim racing community. Because, well, Moza Racing is coming to PlayStation. Now, yes, as I said, Moza Racing is indeed coming to PlayStation, and here's how it happened. Now, for many of you that do not know or haven't been following Moza Racing on social media, they have recently announced a big announcement that, well, from August 15th, they will be the official partner for Gran Turismo. Which, of course, for many people that do not know, Gran Turismo is exclusive to PlayStation. Which, by the way, a little note, Fanatec used to be the main partner for Gran Turismo, so this is kind of interesting as well, with Moza Racing now becoming the new partner. They have also confirmed that they are a lot closer to releasing a PlayStation product. And they still stated on their socials saying that they know that a lot of people have been asking for support of PlayStation products. Which, let's be honest, a lot of people have been waiting for this, especially since Moza Racing does have products that work on consoles such as Xbox. Now, as they stated in their social media, they will be revealing more information about the PlayStation compatibility for Moza Racing product. But now let's actually talk about how will this actually work. Now, so far the creator of Gran Turismo, which I'm not going to try to say his name because I'm going to butcher it, he has stated that there could be a possibility of a Gran Turismo inspired wheel from Moza Racing. Which, I mean, let's be honest, that would not be a surprise at all. And currently right now, I'm kind of thinking, how would this actually look like and how would it work? Would it be a GT wheel or would it just be a standard wheel? Now, of course, you might be wondering, how would this actually work? Would there be a whole separate bundle just for PlayStation, or would it just be a wheel? Now, of course, it will most likely be similar to the ESX wheel, which, by the way, for many people that do not know, technically you can get the R3 bundle, which does have Xbox compatibility, but that's only because the wheel is included, which is the ESX wheel. Which I will admit that I've seen a lot of people a bit confused of how that actually works, but yes, essentially it is just the wheel, and you could essentially just use the ESX wheel with other products such as the R9, the R16, and so much more. So yes, it would not surprise me if we are going to be getting an ESP type of wheel. And it could possibly lead us to also getting a bundle, where it could be an R3 bundle with the ESP wheel. Now, of course, this is just what I'm saying right now. The name could be completely different with the wheel, but it's just to give you an idea of how it would most likely work. Of course, with Moza Racing confirming that yes, there will be PlayStation support very soon, I do have high hopes that we could possibly get it either later this year or beginning of 2027. Now, of course, if you have been part of the sim racing world, you most likely know that when Moza Racing announced the Xbox wheel, it did get a bit complicated. Because for people that do not know, when they announced the R3 wheel, it took just over a year before they actually released the wheel. And that was mostly because they did announce it a bit too soon while they were waiting for things to get authorized by Xbox. But I am pretty sure that Moza Racing did learn from that, and we are most likely going to get this wheel a lot sooner instead of a year later, like what we had with the Xbox variants. But so far there's not too much information about when we can expect the wheel to come out, except that we will be getting more information in the next few months, and we'll most likely get a Gran Turismo inspired wheel for the PlayStation variant. But always let me know in the comments below. What are your thoughts on this whole situation? And are you excited about the news with Moza Racing? But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, and have a good day onwards. Bye.